How to fix audio out of sync in CapCut. Let's get started. First, restart CapCut and your phone. Launch CapCut, completely close it, and again relaunch it. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. This might fix your issue. Next up, reinstall the app. Press and hold on the CapCut app. Select Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. Now navigate to Play Store or App Store. Search for the app CapCut. Once app appears, install it. Next thing you want to do is detach and realign audio. Tap the video in the timeline, choose Extract Audio or Detach Audio. Manually drag the audio clip to realign it with the video. If your original clip already has audio sync issues, CapCut can't fix that. Try playing the clip in your phone's gallery. If the issue exists there, re-record and re-download the video. Next up, close background apps. CapCut may lag during preview if too many apps are running. Close all other apps to improve performance during editing. Lower preview quality. Tap the settings icon while editing. Set preview quality to low or standard. This helps keep video and audio in sync during playback. Export the video and check final output. Sometimes the preview is out of sync, but the final export is perfectly fine. Export your video in high resolution, 1080p or 720p. Play the final video in your gallery to confirm if the issue is still there. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is navigate to the Me page, click on the settings icon given at the top right, scroll all the way down, click on the option Feedback, click on Give Feedback. Now here, you can explain about the issue and send it. With that, CapCut support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for audio out of sync in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.